Hi everyone, welcome back and welcome back to the Stick Your Side to Crafting hosted by Houck's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box below. Please go ahead and check it out and see what these really cool, amazing people have created for this month. And if you like what they do, snoop around and see their content and drop them a like and a subscription and a comment, all that good stuff that content creators need to stay prevalent in the algorithm. So this month I did something a little bit different and a little bit sneaky. I made some stuff and I used some stickers. So this is my third attempt at this little bookshelf embellishment box, and I watched Craft Purse create this, and I crafted one. Now I had been talking about making one of these for a long time earlier in the year, and I was supposed to be doing a swap, but my swap partner is wonderful. They didn't think I was a flake, so I am not going to like go heavy into detail about the box because I'll leave her craft purchase link in the description. You can go and check her out and see how it's really supposed to be made, or you can just type in mini bookcase tutorial and see what other people have made, because some people have taken it to the next level. They've elevated it. They do all kinds of cool stuff with it. Mine are basic, so I use this is a Dollar Tree washi sticker. I want to say well, and washi came out a well, and then on the side it says my soul belongs to the sea. That's really cool. And then on this side I have this little sticker. It's a shell. And I won't go over the stuff that's not stickers. If you want a full on thing, I guess I would ask you to write the question in the comment. The paper I use is, I don't remember, maybe Dacus with a View and Craft Smart from Michaels. Here's another sticker right here. So I tried to use a lot of stickers on these projects because, I mean, I have tons, right? And then the next one I made 4, but I'm only showing you 2 because one is a true prototype, and the other one is not finished. So what I did is I took these Heidi Swap little labels and I put them on the side. And this paper I'm using right here is Echo Park. Like a birthday package, a birthday set of paper. So the front and backs look really cool. And then I use this sticker that says today. Hello Memories is also a sticker. And I didn't put anything on this side. And then I just, my flowers. I make those. I made something, yeah. And so then I put this sticker on here. And on the front of this, it has this little heart right here, and this little heart sticker. And I think these are Jane Hatfield from that little mini sticker book, like the planner book, but I like using them because these little embellishments look really nice on there. And then this is a Dollar Tree sticker. And then right here, these are stickers that I cut down. So the paper is double-sided, which I absolutely like about that. So really cool. So these are stickers, and I just cut some of the excess stuff. They had black and white lines, and the black and white lines wouldn't have went with this, so I just chopped them down. And then I put a sticker on the back. This sticker has seen a lot of places in this project. I moved it all over the place, and then I just wanted to keep it, so I put it on the back. Then the next one I have are these little clear stickers, and these clear stickers, I don't remember where they're from. What I did is I just pulled out some stickers and I just went sticker crazy, kind of. And this is a hello from the Jen Hatfield, and these little stickers. These are clear stickers, so what I did is I put them on a white so you can see them better versus put them on the color portions and it not look right. So this is one of my favorite ones. And then here we have this Happy Day. This is from it says Hallmark on there, but it has like rad and running shoes and things like this, so I thought that was cool. This is another clear sticker, but I think that all the festivity going on in the background makes the sticker just kind of pop out in the pink, and it looks really cute. And then I put some more hearts on there and nothing on the back. And then lastly, I have this one that says, look for your blessings everywhere. This is another Jean Hatfield, or Jen Hatfield. Calling that lady Jean with her name Jen. And then this one is hello, and I think this is Heidi Swap. I'm not sure though. I think, and then this is just an ephemera. So those are my stickers that I use for the Stickier side to craft. And I want to try to do a little bit something different because, you know, I make books a lot. So now I have books. I still have books, right? So anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed my sticker presentation. Until next time, happy crafting.